Uherský Brod, a town granted a royal charter in 1272 with a history enriched by dramatic events and famous as the birthplace of Jan Amos Komenský, known around the world as the distinguished Czech thinker, and as Comenius, the teacher of nations. In the picturesque region of South Moravia, a tradition of rich folklore meets with the present, represented in Uherský Brod by Česká zbrojovka, a manufacturer of sporting and hunting firearms. The foundation stone of the new industrial factory of Česká zbrojovka joint stock company was laid on July 27, 1936, on a nearby green field. Only 5 months later, on January 2, 1937, the factory launched its first products, which gained popularity, respect and prestige all over the world from the very start. The complicated path to the customer starts in the R&D engineering office, which is now equipped with up-to-date, state-of-the-art technology. The technological and manufacturing processes are begun with computer-aided engineering design programs. The expert and engineering skills of the designers and workers combine to produce reliable weapons, able to compete on international markets. From quality materials and perfect castings, the components for the next production phases are made. A precision barrel bore is a prerequisite for accurate fire. Such a high level of quality is guaranteed by the modern technology of cold forging. Apart from fulfilling its function on the firearm, the stock, made of selected high quality and natural materials, together with a quality surface finishing, complements the overall aesthetic appearance of the firearm. Final assembly and finishing operations on the shooting range cannot take place without the work of skilled and experienced gunsmiths. The investment casting foundry manufactures steel investment castings through lost wax processes. The patterns are produced by injecting a wax mixture into the metal split molds. The wax patterns are subsequently coated with heat-resistant ceramic material. After drying, the wax is removed and the shell mold is annealed. Then, metal is poured into the shell mold. After removing the ceramic shell and blasting, the castings are checked and heat-treated as required. Česká zbrojovka, joint stock company, invests considerable financial assets into the implementation of new, up-to-date process equipment. This includes especially NC machining centers, which are a precondition for lasting quality, as well as for the company's increased output. Modern measuring equipment is applied to ensure quality assessment and control, including the in-process controls. With its technical level, firearm design and product range, Česká zbrojovka currently ranks among the top producers of small arms. Heat treatment operations take a significant share in the material properties of the components. The individual phases of this technological process are computer optimized. Classical bluing, matte polymer or nickel coating surface finishes are applied onto the metal parts. The production cycle of handguns is closed at the assembly shop. Ammunition savings are achieved through the preliminary on-site adjustments using a laser sighting-in device. Each handgun is systematically designated with identification symbols and recorded data. All the handguns are subject to 3 test levels at the company's shooting range. These include testing carried out by the Czech National Proof House for firearms and ammunition, extensive functional testing, and accuracy testing, evaluated automatically by computer recording to the sighting-in target. Here, the work of the masters of engraving illustrate the long tradition that firearms manufacturing have with the arts. With its outstanding sporting achievements, the shooting team of Česká zbrojovka contributes to the company's renown and publicity. Česká zbrojovka Uherský Brod is making every attempt to keep its top position in the domestic and world markets. The products of Česká zbrojovka are relished by users in over 100 countries worldwide, including the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, France, Turkey, and Egypt. These are places where the craftsmanship and honest work of the people of Uherský Brod, a small Moravian town, are appreciated.